Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. For your daily energies, Cancers, I'll be picking few cards, and for your relationship, I will be picking few more cards, guys. So first for your general energies, guys, we are picking these cards. So these cards may uh, relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. So these are the cards for your general energies, and I'll be picking more cards from another deck. So those cards are for your relationship. So let's see what is coming. I will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys, Cancers. So these cards may or may not resonate, guys, the reading. So take it as it resonates, because these are a general reading. It may not be specific to your situation, guys, Cancers. So let's start with your general energies. Page of Swords. It's Six of Cups. The Fool in reverse. Knight of Swords. And Strength in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, Cancers, you are having people with you today, maybe friends or family, or it may be someone from your work. You are sharing your past, maybe whatever happened in your past, your life, maybe your childhood memories, or um, something, maybe even traumatic situations or some troubles that were there in your life. And you are sharing those memories with people, and you are a very what to say, a daring person, strong, determined. You have a set views of any situation, ideas. So you know what you need to do today, and you are a person who is ready to jump into action, whatever it is. So you have a particular view of your situation, and you are skilled, talented, and you are ready to take up anything, fight any situation. So that confidence is there in you. You have that confidence, and you are a very honest person, and you have that tendency to be really flexible, uh, because you want to do the right things always, guys. That is also what I see. Maybe in your career or in your personal life, you want to make the right choices. So you scrutinize all your decisions. You think clearly, and you think about the pros and cons before taking that next step. And maybe today there are some troubles in your situation, maybe in your career or in your personal situation. Maybe because of some carelessness of some people in your life, maybe your teammates, or in your personal life, maybe your person, or some troubles because of some illness or some habits. It may be some bad habits. So that may be the reason you're seeing some troubles in your situation, maybe with people really careless. They are not putting in enough efforts, or they are not working like you. They don't put in their 100% skills and talents to work. So that may be the reason for certain things not going right for you in your situation, guys. So that carelessness may be the reason, or their careless attitude, or their negligent behavior. So that may be the reason for some troubles in your career, or something to do with addictions, or some behavioral or some habits. That may again be the reason for some troubles in your situation, Cancers. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship. What has come with these cards? So let's turn these cards now. It's the Empress in reverse, Hermit, and Nine of Spheres. So, with these cards in your situation, Cancers, in this relationship, you are thinking just like I said with the previous cards in your situation. You scrutinize each and every decision, whatever you take. So, you think about the pros and cons. So, again, the same energy here. You think deeply before moving forward into any situation, any choice. And we were speaking about some kind of carelessness or negligent attitude of people near you. So again we have the similar energy here. So this person you're in love with, or it may be even your energy, so you are not ready to make efforts. Maybe you are not ready to uh, face certain things for this love, for this connection. So you don't want to put efforts, but still you want to be in this connection, in this love. So carelessness on your part, or some kind of negligent attitude, some kind of laziness, that may be the reason for things not uh, going well for you guys. And also in your situation today, guys, you may come to a understanding like what you need to do. Maybe uh, this person you are in love with, they may have this lazy attitude, or they may be too, what to say, possessive of you, some kind of possessive attitude towards you. So they want to control you in everything, or they are always pestering you for something. They have so many needs and they are simply irritating you or pestering you for something. So but you find that clarity today, guys. You come to a conclusion, maybe. So you are thinking, and you are maybe, for some of you, you may be thinking of changing your ways. You have that deep knowledge. This may be your energy, or this may be their energy, guys. So maybe you are taking a step back, seeing the situation from a different perspective, and you may get that understanding what you need for this connection to work, guys. So that is also what I see with these cards, Cancers, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Cancers.